the Arcus help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to update a software asset. If you'd like to review how to import a software asset, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. To update a software asset, head on down to Applications under the Library section of the main menu. Select the asset's card and scroll down. If you are the owner of the asset, you will see a prompt to update it next to the download button. So click this update button. Here, you can add or remove the installation scripts or provide a link to remote content, but I'm going to pick upload a local file. In this case, I'm changing the .properties file. And once you've made your changes, drag and drop the updated file into the builder, select Finish, and you will receive an email when your asset has finished uploading. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.